Hey guys, excited to announce that my first ever in-person meeting, major in-person meeting since 2022 when we had Vuzita Mekwayo in Ghana is happening this September on the 18th and 19th of September. Now, I built this specifically for you. Now, there are three categories of people I want in the room, and unfortunately, we only have 50 seats. And in fact, as at the time of this recording, some two IRED guys have taken 2 seats already, so we only have 48. Now, three categories of people I want in the room. Number one, if you're somebody that has a business, you have a product, you have a service, you have knowledge, you have some kind of expertise, and you're selling, and you have any of these three problems, then I built this room specifically for you. Number one, if all of your attempts at traffic, at ads, is not converting and bringing you the right clients, you need to be in this session. Number two, I want you to pause this video, go into any of the AI systems, ChatGPT, Grok, any of them, and ask them for a recommendation of a service or a product in your industry. And let me know if it is you that they actually recommended. If not, you need to be in this class. And number three, if people are seeing your offers and not feeling stupid to say no to your offers, you absolutely need to be in this class, because we'll be looking at offers, we'll be looking at being discovered by AI, being recommended by AI, and we'll be looking at mastering the traffic game. How do you bring proper eyeballs? Some of you are trying Facebook ads, you're boosting on Instagram, you're trying LinkedIn ads, you're trying this and that. Look, I will give you the real tea in this session. We're having it 2 days. First day is open and it's filling up very, very fast. We're having this at the Signature in East Legon. The link is in my bio. Go grab your seat right now. Day 2, which is the second day, is going to be strictly by invite. So that is not open to everybody. But for every single one of you who has any of the problems that I just mentioned, I have the solution for you. And if you have experienced my classes before, my sessions before, you absolutely know what to expect. I cannot wait to see you in the room. Rush now, please. We will not be able to extend or bring any more seats. The room can only sit 50. We're not trying to create any kind of fake scarcity. So run and go and get your seat now. I will see you on the 18th of September for our first comeback event, and I have so many other things waiting for you. If you get in that room, it will be one of the best decisions you made in the year 2026. Futures Kwame is back. I'll see you in the session. Cheers, everyone.